Tina, come on. Come on.
Back it up a little bit. Down a little bit, down a little bit. Still pretty. She's got milk on her lips, that's so funny.
This was one of the favorites. This was my other favorite.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, we'll have to do that. And then,
What?
which color should we do with? Blue?
Blue, now you pick the other one.
What?
I think we're putting one in there.
Are we?
What?
I was pretty sure.
Okay, well we can ask Mom. But we gotta put some of this in.
We can take it out.
You don't want to, I don't like it.
No, just wait, Hi, we're almost done. They're yawning. I know, but don't. Okay. Then will you grab some milk and pour it over? We're just gonna leave it open.
Why?
Because we want them to go in and out of the kennel. Here. Start putting them in there.
Simeon, Mom wants you.
Okay.
Where's Rue?
Kilo's going in! Kilo's walking in there. I'm trying to strap Kilo in. What the big?
It's an emergency for the minced ginger. We need it. Lily needs it for Kilo salad. Is Kilo in here?